All right, kindergarten, remember we are in the Volume 2 Reader's Notebook and we're at the beginning. So we are on page 2. And once you're open to page 2, write your name at the top. Go ahead, write your name. I'll go ahead and get my pen and write my name too. Right, it's good practice. Capital for your name, capital letter for your first name. Alright, kindergarten, we are going to fill in these blanks for these sentences with the words in the box. So let's read them together. This one, we've used it for our sight words. It says of, everyone say of. Read this one. So, let's read this one. Remember, sometimes Y says I or E, and it says many. Good. And this is where, and that's usually with a question, isn't it? All right, let's read this first one. I see. Let's look at this picture. What do they see? One person, two persons, or people, three people. That is, I see of, I see so, I see many, or I see where. I see, you're right, many people, right? So let's go ahead and write the word many, all capital, lowercase letters, because it is not the beginning of the sentence. So we'll put a lowercase m, a lowercase a lowercase n, and y. Good job. All right, let's look at sentence number 2. Blank is Pat. Blank is Pat. Now let's go look at the words. Of is Pat. So is Pat. Many is Pat. Where is Pat? I see a question mark at the end. I know that where is used in questions. So I think that's the right one, right? So it's the beginning of a sentence. So what should we do with the letter when it's at the beginning of the sentence? We should capitalize it. Let's capitalize the W. Where? W-H. E. Round and down. R. Remember, all the letters, besides the first one, have to be lowercase. We don't put capitals in the middle of just the word. Alright, so where is Pat? Oh, I do notice that Pat's name is capitalized. Why? Because it is a person's name, and we always capitalize the beginning of a person's name, just like yours. So where is Pat? So this girl's name must be Pat. Question mark. Alright, come with me. Blank, you can see. Oh, that kind of rhymes, right? See and me. I hear rhyme. Come with me, blank, you can see. Come with me of, so. Come with me of, you can see. Come with me, so you can see. Come with me, many you can see. Come with me, where you can see. Oh, well, what do they want us to put here? Come with me, so you can see. Right, how do we spell so? S-O. And do they need to be capitalized? No. There can be lowercase. So lowercase s goes under the dotted line. Lowercase o goes under the dotted line. Good job. Number 4. Nat is a fan, blank, Pat. What haven't we used yet? Right, of. So let's try of. Nat is a fan of. And I hear and I would think you, right? Because when we say we're thinking you, and we are saying when we say of. So, but that's why we are using of as our sight word, so we can memorize it. Even if we hear it's an O-F for of. Nat is a fan of Pat. Good job. All right, put a bookmark in your reader's notebook for today. You are finished with this page. Close it up and put it in your learning spot. Until tomorrow.